Hello, my teacher. My name is Adriana Lucia Gutierrez Serpa. I am from Magangue, Bolívar. I am pertenece in group number 194. I am today conduct a little about the city of Barranquilla and the cultures. Okay, the city of Barranquilla is the capital of the Atlantic Department and city was known for festivals such as the Carnival, where grand artists and ride. This city is warm and friendly place for tourists. Okay, the most common means of transport and are Transmilenio, bus, and taxi. Typical malls. The typical dish of city in fish right wrapper is banana, lead and mojarra, lora, white cocoa, rice de pata and patacon. I'm sorry. Okay, tourist place. The place that tourists visit the most is the most the Malecon Park and Sales to the World among money ordering. Okay, thank you very much.